No, not that. Just this. This. There we go. Okay. That's what I need. Alright, and just, this. Close. This. No. Yeah. Hello. I'm a VTuber now. Let's go. In advance, I'm really sorry about the audio here. My recording software wouldn't record this well, so I had to use PowerPoint screen recording. But anyway, time for you guys to get a look into my psychology. Welcome to WillYouPressTheButton.com. WillYouPressTheButton.com is basically just a website that gives you different problems, and it asks you if you would press the button. So as an example, would I press the button? I get the woman/man of my dreams, but I can never have sex with them. See, I got a problem, and then I get to press a button. Now that I actually think about this, this kind of seems like just... I don't know, man. Yeah, I'd press the button. Sex isn't that important. You don't need sex in a relationship. It's not that important for a relationship. So, yeah, I'd press it. Wow. Why did so little people agree with this? Oh no, I need to open my VTuber. Okay, there we go. I'm a VTuber. Okay, next. Oh god, my VTuber icon keeps going away. It's because I'm clicking things. I have unlimited riches, but I need to ask my mother's permission before spending any of it. You know, like, I'm gonna sound weird when I say this, but like, money, for me it's always like money shouldn't just appear, money should be earned, so I don't know why that's the idea that I always have been given. By the way, as soon as this goes away again, I'm gonna get rid of it now. It's just annoying to put back my VTuber. Yeah. I think I'm not gonna, because it makes sense. 82% of people have pressed it. Wow, I'm really bad at being in the public eye. Oh, next. I will be immortal, but no one will ever love you. No, anything that involves immortality, I never press, because I don't think I would be able to handle being immortal. Being immortal would mean that I would just live forever and I couldn't die, but I would need to watch everyone around me die. Wow, this got really dark really fast. How long have I been recording? Like 2 minutes and I'm already getting really dark? Okay, cool. Time to have a fun one, right? I create a cheap and highly accessible vaccine to every disease, but the creation of the vaccine creates an economic disaster. Hold on, let me just get a sip of my apple juice real quick. Okay, this is... Excuse me, this is literally COVID. Except not really. Decades. Okay. If it's halting the scientific progress for decades, that's really not good, because we're so close to so many things. Oh no. But every single disease. You know what? We can live without robots for another few years, and by getting rid of disease, Oh no, but oh god, this is why I don't like this, because it always makes me need to think, and you guys get to look at my psychology. God, the more I think about it, the worse it sounds, but like, I think that it would be better. It would be better. Yeah, wow. That's like almost 50-50. It's pretty cool. I like that they show the scale up here, because that really makes me think about how, about how bad I am at doing this. I can shapeshift into any person. Yep. Immediately, yeah. I don't like how I look. I would love to be able to look like any person other than me. I would love to look like that. That, honestly, really good. I have a D&D character. I don't have any art of them, so I can't put them on screen. Their name is Jack the One-Eyed. They are very cool. They're a changeling, and I love them because the way I wrote them is that they shapeshift, but they hate their true form. And for those who don't know, hold on, I need to look at things for changeling stuff. So this is like a changeling's true form. They look like this. Like, they look like these, basically. They're just completely white. White eyes, white everything. But then they can transform into whatever. Jack hates that form. Anyway, back to buttons. When I die, I respawn at the left. Oh, it's Minecraft. Oh, it's Minecraft. This applies to everyone else currently alive, so I just get to read my life. Oh no. Okay, well I'm currently like on the edge of going into college, so like, God. No, I don't think that I can do that. Oh, 50-50 again. Man, that's really good. Wow. I like this 50-50. Yeah, I wouldn't. I would hate to go through everything again. Especially like middle school. Middle school sucked. Anyone in middle school, like, props to you, honestly. I don't know if I could do that again. I survived an airplane crash by jumping out of the plane earlier with a parachute, but I will land somewhere in the middle of the ocean. Yeah. Yeah, this, like, if I crash in the plane, I'm dead, but at least this way I have a way to live, maybe. There's possibly a way to say it. Why did 59 people just... Why did so many people just give up? Why did you give up? Don't give up. You have hope. Like, seriously. There's a chance to be rescued. That's not showing any of my files, is it? No, it's not. Okay. Literally, you have hope. You can be saved. If you land somewhere in the middle of the ocean, maybe you find Atlantis. Huh? Did you think of that? Maybe you'll find Atlantis. Oh boy, I thought this would be good. You can read, write, and speak in any language. Or no one wants to read or listen to what you have to say unless you're speaking the language you were originally taught. Yeah. People don't listen to me anyway, so like, this works out. I just speak English permanently, and that's great. I was originally taught English, and then afterwards I was taught French, and I know a bit of Japanese and a bit of Italian. Anyway, I'll never experience heartache, social injustice, diarrhea. Those are 3 different things. Bing. I'll only use Bing. Bing isn't that bad. Bing is not that bad. Bing is bad. I'm assuming that this is like the physical heartache instead of like the emotional heartache. Because I've never experienced emotional heartache. I've never been in a relationship. So, yeah. For the rest of my life, I'll never experience heartache, social injustice, or diarrhea ever again. Hey, as a straight white male, that's pretty good. I'm so sorry to every human being. I'm immune to the effects of temperature, including being on fire or completely frozen, but I cannot feel any warmth. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, okay. This is a problem that I have. I always feel warmth. I feel it too much. My hands are always warm. Like, anytime, like, I hold hands with a friend or something, they're always like, wow, your hands are really warm. And I say, I know, because they're warm for no reason. And I don't mind the cold. I really don't mind the cold. I'm a December baby, so, yeah. I was born on the same day as Timothy Chalamet, actually, which is pretty cool. Yeah, that's literally... swap my gender, but my sexual orientation becomes inverted. No, I'm fine with my gender. I'm fine with being a male. It's pretty cool. I don't know, it's fun. The season I've been waiting to see for months of my favorite show just premiered overseas. Everyone forgot to tag their spoilers. What's my favorite show? Oh no, what's my favorite show? Do I have a favorite show? I watch a lot of, like, JoJo's, but that season's not coming out for a long time. Okay. Yeah, I guess. No, I'm fine with waiting. I'd rather wait and not be spoiled than see it and be spoiled. Because, like, I don't really have a favorite show. So. I instantly learn all languages fluently, but I can only speak one language on any given day. Heck yeah. Dude, that'd be so good, because when you travel, then you can speak that language only. Oh, that'd be great. I will say it'd be confusing for my parents, but they really don't care. It'd be confusing for, like, everyone around me, but I wouldn't really care. Like, just take a trip down to, like, I don't know, take a trip into, like, what's the one beach town? Or what's the one island? Like, take a trip to Okinawa and start speaking the Okinawan dialect of Japanese. And then my parents are just like, you okay? Comfy? Comfy, you doing okay? I can predict the future, but I can't remember the past. Oh. Going back to D&D, there's a subclass of wizard called the Divination Wizard. And it allows you to see parts of the future, and in exchange you can export a role into a different role, and it's really cool. Predict the future but not remember the past. A lot of good things have happened in my past. Wait, like the past of me or the past of history? Because if it's the past of history, I'd easily hit the button. I don't really care that much about the history of Canada, and besides, I can relearn it. Canadian history, we did a lot of bad stuff, even though people think that we didn't. You know, knowing the past is actually pretty good. Now that I think about it. Knowing my past and knowing the past of my country and my heritage is actually pretty good, so no, I wouldn't. Also, predicting the future is a pretty bad choice anyway. Don't predict the future, it's a pretty awful way to go. I have enough money to do whatever I want to do for the rest of my life. Be constantly kidnapped for ransom randomly every year. Yeah, because I have enough money to make them stop. It's a good exchange. It's perfect. It works out. Win the lottery, but be cursed with the numbers 4, 8, 15, 16, 23, 42. What? Hold on. 2342. What does this mean? Lost? What? What? What does this mean? What? I don't get this reference. I haven't seen Lost. Sure, I'll hit that button. Yeah. Win the lottery. Cool. One time I press the button, it actually happens, but I don't know which time. Yes, obviously. Is it this time? I mean, like, I only press it when I'm absolutely sure, because I'm actually thinking about this, which is funny, but, like, I don't know, it works. I will win $100 million, but I will look like Hitler. Yeah, no, nothing is worth that. Don't cosplay Hitler. Nobody out there, nobody do that. If I see anyone on the street do that, I will put on a mask so you don't know it is me and I will slap you. Because I don't want a face reveal right now. I get to live in the Pokemon universe with all the and master all the legendary Pokemon. But every day I'm forced to murder a Pikachu. Yeah, Pikachu sucks, honestly. I don't like him. Oh! 50-50. 50% of people really hate Pikachu, and 50% of them love him. Actually, more people want to murder Pikachu than not. It's really funny when I think about it. Alright, I'm gonna go 5 more of these. But honestly, I wouldn't use legendaries. I would honestly go through it. Which, by the way, speaking of which, that brings me to a bit of a, plug. I'm doing a Pokemon Nuzlocke, and the first episode of it will come out whenever I'm done editing it. It only contains the first 2 gyms. I'm doing Pokemon White. It's very hard to record on a DS, by the way. So, like, I don't know. Be happy that I managed to record on a DS. I will get $1 million, but somewhere someone will die. Of, like, natural causes? Yeah. If it's natural causes, then it doesn't really matter. Who is it? Like, were they supposed to die? I can't ask these questions because it doesn't work. You know, $1 million is not worth a life. Like, I'd pay $1 million to keep someone alive if I did. Wow, 72 people. 72% of people. What is wrong with people? Money isn't that important. I have the ability to control the weather, but natural disasters will spawn when I do that. Yeah. Because I can just, like, not use it. Keep in mind, if I have that ability, I can just not use it. And, like, if there is a natural disaster, then, I don't know, like, it wouldn't have been from me, because natural disasters occur all the time. But, like, I probably would just ignore that I have this power, and then, at some point, like, maybe it's like torrential downpour, because my town is known for, like, our main streets will often flood, because we have, like, a big lake nearby. Our main streets often flood, so, yeah. It is not, like, a big lake on the maps, though. I'm trying not to dox myself. Yeah. Anyway. I will get the equivalent, I will get the equivalent of 10 million US dollars, but someone I know dies. No. People aren't worth money. Are you kidding me? Why are you hitting this for, why are you killing your friends for money? Bruh. I can morph my body into any shape, but yeah, I'm loud normally. I'm really loud oftentimes. No one cares about me being loud. I don't like how I look right now, and it's fine. Alright, one more. I'll have unlimited money, but I can never sleep again. No, I already have trouble sleeping. Okay, so, that was Will You Press the Button? I'm gonna put this guy here. This is me. Hello. Maybe one day I will make it so that this just can appear here, because OBS really doesn't like me today. So, have a good day, and sleep well.